Hello to all the dedicated teachers and creative parents. I hope you're doing great and feeling full of energy to create joyful and unique learning experiences. Over the past few days, we've talked about tools you can use to design fun classroom games and quizzes. But today, it's time for the next important step: smart settings that help your programs run more smoothly, effectively, and professionally. All the essential tips are already available in the help file, but to make things even easier, today I'll walk you through them in a short, practical video. And here's the good news. In the coming days, you'll also get dedicated videos for each program, making everything clear and simple, step by step. Join me on this journey. In all the tools we have designed, VBA, Visual Basic for Applications, code has been used to create advanced functionalities within the programs. Therefore, it is essential for users who intend to use these tools to pay attention to the following points before starting to work with the program. To ensure the programs run correctly and without issues, please make sure to apply the following settings in Excel and PowerPoint. The program consists of two sections, an Excel section for data entry and a PowerPoint section for data execution. In Excel section, use only the provided buttons for data entry, do not work directly with sheets. Direct interaction can result in errors when running the program. Steps to execute properly: 1. Complete the settings in Excel first. 2. Only then run the PowerPoint section. 3. We have used a help file for all the programs. Read the help section for detailed instructions. 4. Place all audio and image files in the program directory to avoid issues when switching systems. If the name or location of an image or audio file used in the program is changed, you must update it through the Edit button within the program. Otherwise, the program will encounter an error during execution. Therefore, it is recommended to organize all audio and image files from the beginning by placing them in separate, categorized folders for smoother execution. 5. Ensure macros are enabled in both Excel and PowerPoint. File. Options. Trust Center. Trust Center Settings. Macro Settings. Enable all macros. Check Trust Access to the VBA Project Object Model. Click OK. Open the PowerPoint file with the .pptm extension and repeat all these steps for PowerPoint as well. File. In PowerPoint, the slide display settings are set to 3:4. If your settings are different, go to Design Slide Size, select the Standard, 4:3 option to ensure the program displays correctly. If you encounter a database connection error when opening the PowerPoint program, it is because you have previously used macros and have not removed them. Therefore, please follow the steps below to delete the old macro and add the new macro. File. Options. Add-ins. Manage. Select PowerPoint add-ins. Go. On the Open page, you will see a list of add-ins. If you are not using an add-in, select it and click the Remove option. Always follow these steps after finishing your work with the programs to avoid any issues. You can also use the same path to add a new add-in. Just click Add. Select the PowerPoint file with the .pam extension. And click OK. If you're interested in collaborating or have any questions, feel free to contact me via email. So if you're looking for creative, engaging, and budget-friendly teaching ideas, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new videos.